Hey, today I'm going to show you this new product that just arrived.
Can't believe how hard this climb was.
These look like real selfie videos, but both of them are 100% AI generated. Today I'm going to show you the simplest workflow for creating AI UGC videos. So first, head over to freepik.com, click on video generation, navigate to the browse templates and type UGC in the search bar. Once we find the UGC template we want, just click use. This will load the template into your editor on the left side of the screen. Before we change any of the visuals, we need to switch the AI model. Change it to Kling 3.0 Omni. I found that Omni generates a much better results, and as a bonus, it is significantly cheaper to use. Now let's customize the template. First, we will swap out the subject, upload your own person's image and click use image. Next, do the exact same thing for the product. Swap the default image for an actual product shot. With our images locked in, it is time to update the text prompt. You can write whatever feature add. For example, I will type, "Hey, I'm going to show you this new product that just arrived. It is awesome, check it out." So once you added that, you just have to scroll down to adjust your output settings, set the duration to 7 seconds, choose your resolution, either 720p or 1080p, and then select 9:16 vertical aspect ratio. Vertical is the industry standard format for all UGC videos. Once that is done, simply hit generate. And once processing finishes, your custom UGC video will be generated and ready to use. Alright, our video is ready. I actually generated this twice. My first attempt had a few AI hallucinations, but the second one came out perfect. It is important to remember that AI is rarely perfect on the first click. Sometimes you just need to hit generate a second time. Let's take a look at our successful result.
Hey, today I'm going to show you this new product that just arrived. It is awesome. Check it out.
I think this looks incredible. I didn't change any settings between tries. I literally just hit generate twice to get this quality. Notice how natural this looks. To get this exact result, I only had to change two simple things. First, I uploaded the text so the character reads my specific script. Second, I swapped out the default subject image for my own character. Everything else, the camera movement, the lighting, the selfie-style, was completely handled by the original template. As you can see, the final result looks highly authentic and realistic. It is incredibly simple way to generate UGC video ads from scratch. So now, let's take a look at the other example.
Can't believe how hard this climb was. Anyways, today I'm going to show you this new product that just arrived. It helped me through the climb.
And that's your complete AI UGC workflow. Consider subscribing for more AI tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.